Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to close a Betfair account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Betfair application or go to Betfair website. Then log into your account. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen. There, click to Safer Gambling. Then scroll down. There you can see Close My Account. Click to Close My Account. Then a confirmation will appear in your screen. Click to Close My Account. Then enter your password. Then click to Confirm and Close My Account. Then your account will be closed. This is how you can close your account, Betfair account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.